Hey guys, it's Tay. Here's my dad Mike down here in the fab shop. And this is where Black Dog Builds has been happening, as you probably know.
Yeah, and we're excited to have you guys on board and to be able to show you what we do down here and really kind of exercise our upcycling skills.
That's right. And seriously, thanks to everyone that has watched, everyone that has commented, liked, shared, subscribed, all you guys, thank you so much. You know, whether people heard of us from Salvage Dogs or they know us as an architectural salvage authority or however else you may have found it. Thank you guys.
You know, we've been in business 20 years and part of our mantra is saving pieces from the landfill because, you know, that when that history's gone, it's gone for good. And so we'll take that history and we will upcycle or repurpose for our show and for our consumers, people who really appreciate what we do.
Right. Well, when you and Robert started Black Dog in '99, that was the other function of the business that revealed itself, was not just selling salvage, but it was turning it into heirloom pieces of furniture made from materials that are no longer around.
You know, we also found that adding value to salvage really kind of helps sell it because, you know, it's easy to get, it's sometimes hard to sell. So by doing the projects you see on the show and the new series, Black Dog Builds, you kind of can appreciate the work that goes into it.
Yeah, and it gives things another life that may have otherwise been thrown away. Anyway, we're kind of here at the end of what we're calling season 1 for Black Dog Builds. Let us know what you guys thought down below. You know, what did you like? What didn't you like? What do you want to see more of?
We're thinking about bringing Grayson over and having her do a couple of series.
She wants to get down in the shop real bad.
Yeah, she really likes it down here.
Let us know if you want to see Grayson. You know, fab tips and tricks, how-tos, wood shop basics, anything. You know, we want to grow this and because you guys have so many ways to reach out to us, we definitely want it to be for the viewer.
We've only been doing this a couple of months since late Christmas, and we've already got 1,500 subscribers, and it's really assuring to us that, you know, people are watching, they want to see what goes on here, and the shop has always been an integral part of our show on Salvage Dogs.
Well, again, thank you to the 12,000 of you who have viewed the Black Dog Builds channel, and we'll see you for season 2.
Yeah, stay tuned. It's going to be fun.
Thanks, guys.
See ya.